Now let's create a login screen. I'm going to do a table tr td. Let's say right now we'll just use text here. Now input type equal to text. So for the username we'll obviously give text. Let's look at it. So you have a username and then a text box. We'll create another row. This one for password. For the password, the only change you need to do is just say that this is a password. Obviously you have to give an ID. Username and password. Now you might be thinking, I mean, when you look at it, both of them look the same, but what is the difference? So here is where you could give a username like Matterman, and here is where you could give a password. When you just look at it, the password is all asterisks or dots, so you don't get to see the password. So that is how password is created in the HTML.